How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over some more of our surface mounts and our hideaways. So let's go ahead and get started. So up top here, I have our half Octo, and this is in a red clear alternating color setup. And we do offer this unit in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, or alternating. And again, that is our half Octo surface mount. And then moving down here, we have our Alpha 7x3, and I have an amber clear here, for example, but same concept. We offer this unit in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid and half-half colors. And then below that one, we have our Alpha 6x4, and this is a red-blue color setup. And then we also have our Alpha 7x9 as well, which I don't have on the display here, but you can check that out on the surface mounts page. It's just a little bigger than the 6x4, and again, that is our Alpha 7x9. And then moving over here, we have our flare hideaways. So up top, we have our Flare 6 360, and this is perfect for a hideaway or a surface mount, or we've even seen these units mounted under the side mirrors as well to give you a good 360 visibility. And you'll notice on the unit that has a little bulb to it compared to the Flare 12. And then moving down here, this is our Flare 12. And again, we offer these units, both our Flare 6 and Flare 12, in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid or dual color. And so you'll see the Flare 12 there. Now the Flare 12 will have 12 LEDs, and the Flare 6 will have 6 LEDs. And then moving down here, we have our Flare X surface mounts, and these are perfect for running board lights or trailer or anywhere you need a solid steady burn light for visibility, or a work light as well. And then moving down here, finally, we have our micro carbine rock lights. Now these are perfect for wheel wells, or again for trailers or a truck bed, or anywhere you need a small surface mount light. And we do offer those units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, which you see here, for example. And same thing with our Flare X surface mounts. We offer those in amber, red, blue, green, and clear. And both the micro carbine and the Flare X will have on-off functionality. So you'll see we have plenty of surface mounts and hideaways available in any color for any application. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.